Have you ever wondered what keeps your computer's storage in check and running smoothly? Let's explore disk management, a vital utility within Windows operating systems. This tool is not just about saving space, it's about maximizing system efficiency and organizing data effectively. By managing disk partitions and volumes, disk management ensures that your computer's storage is utilized to its fullest potential. Whether you're resizing partitions or formatting them, this utility is key to keeping your system in top shape. Understanding disk management is crucial for anyone looking to optimize their computer's performance. Starting with the basics, how do you launch disk management on your Windows system? Accessing disk management is straightforward and can be done in a couple of ways, depending on your version of Windows. For those using Windows 8, 8.1 or 10, a quick method involves using the keyboard shortcut. Simply press the Windows key along with X. This brings up a power user menu where you can directly select Disk Management. This shortcut is especially handy for IT professionals and power users who need frequent access to system management tools. Alternatively, if you prefer navigating through the interface, you can access disk management via the Computer Management Console. Begin by right-clicking the This PC or My Computer icon on your desktop or in your File Explorer. From the context menu, choose Manage. This action opens the Computer Management window. Here, under the Storage drop-down, you'll find Disk Management. Now that we know how to open disk management, let's dive into what you can see and do within it. Once you open disk management, what exactly are you looking at? Upon launching disk management, you're greeted with a graphical layout that represents the various disks connected to your system. This interface is not just visually appealing, but also quite informative. Each disk is displayed along with its partitions, providing a clear map of how your storage is organized. Let's delve into the details you can see here. Each disk is assigned a unique disk number. This helps in distinguishing one disk from another, especially useful in systems with multiple storage devices. Alongside the disk number, you'll notice the total size of each disk, which gives you an idea of the storage capacity at your disposal. Furthermore, the status of each disk is clearly marked. This can range from online, meaning the disk is operational and accessible, to offline, indicating that the disk is not currently accessible by your system. This status indicator is crucial for troubleshooting and ensuring all your hardware is functioning as expected. Disk management also specifies the file system each partition uses, be it NTFS, FAT32 or exFAT. This is vital for compatibility with different operating systems and software applications. Now, looking at the disk type, you'll find disks categorized as either basic or dynamic. Basic disks are standard and support primary partitions and logical drives. Dynamic disks, on the other hand, support volumes that span across multiple disks, like striped or mirrored volumes, offering flexibility and resilience. Each disk's partition style, whether MBR, Master Boot Record, or GPT, Grid Partition Table, is also displayed. MBR is traditional and widely used, while GPT is newer and required for larger disks. With this comprehensive overview, managing your disks becomes much clearer. Now let's explore how disk management handles partition creation and modification. Partition management is a fundamental aspect of disk management, allowing users to tailor their disk space to meet specific needs. Whether you're setting up a new drive or reorganizing an existing one, understanding how to efficiently manage partitions is crucial. Firstly, creating a partition. This process begins by identifying unallocated space on your disk. Here you can carve out a new partition, specify its size, and assign a unique drive letter or mount point. Additionally, you'll select a file system. Common choices include NTFS, known for its robustness and security features, FAT32, which is great for smaller drives and compatibility reasons, and exFAT, perfect for large files and drives. Next, let's talk about formatting. When you format a partition, you essentially prepare it to store data by setting up a file system. Be mindful though, formatting erases all data currently on the partition. This is why backing up important files before proceeding is a golden rule in disk management. Resizing partitions is another handy feature. Perhaps you need more space on one partition and less on another. Disk management allows you to shrink a partition, freeing up space, or extend it into unallocated space adjacent to it. This flexibility is particularly useful as your storage needs evolve. Deleting a partition is straightforward but irreversible. This action should be approached with caution, as it removes all data stored on that partition permanently. Always ensure that you have secure backups of any important data before you proceed to delete. Through these processes, disk management provides a dynamic environment where partitions can be manipulated to maximize efficiency and functionality of your storage devices. Whether you're a seasoned IT professional or a novice user, these tools are designed to give you control over how your disk space is utilized. Effective partition management can significantly enhance your storage solutions. Apart from basic partitioning, disk management offers advanced volume management options. Let's dive into the world of volume management, beginning with the creation of simple volumes. Simple volumes are the most straightforward type to manage. They involve using unallocated space to create a new partition on a single disk. This is particularly useful for separating data or installing a new operating system. However, they are limited by the size of the disk and do not provide fault tolerance. Next, we have spanned volumes. These allow you to combine free space from multiple physical disks into one large volume. The advantage here is the ability to create a volume that's larger than a single disk could support. However, spanned volumes do not provide fault tolerance. If one disk fails, the data on the entire volume could be lost, making it crucial to have a robust backup strategy. Moving on to striped volumes or RAID 0, these are about performance. By striping data evenly across 2 or more disks, striped volumes enhance read and write performance, ideal for applications requiring high-speed data access, like video editing or gaming. However, like spanned volumes, they offer no fault tolerance. The failure of just one disk results in the loss of all data across the striped volume. Finally, there are mirrored volumes, or RAID 1. These volumes duplicate data across 2 disks. If one disk fails, the data remains available on the other disk, ensuring data redundancy and fault tolerance. While mirrored volumes provide peace of mind with their built-in backup, they do require twice as much disk space, which can be a costly investment. Each type of volume management serves a different need, from maximizing storage capacity to enhancing system performance or ensuring data safety. By understanding the benefits and drawbacks of each, you can make informed decisions tailored to your specific requirements. These advanced options provide flexible solutions for various storage needs. What if something goes wrong? How does disk management help with disk maintenance and troubleshooting? When faced with a new disk that's not showing up, disk management provides an invaluable tool: disk initialization. Upon insertion of a new disk, it may appear as not initialized in the utility. By right-clicking and selecting Initialize Disk, one can set up the disk with a master boot record or a GUID partition table, depending on the disk's capacity and intended use. This simple step is crucial for getting disks ready for partitioning and storage. Switching gears, let's consider disk type conversion. For those looking to enhance their system's flexibility, disk management can convert a basic disk into a dynamic disk. This conversion allows for creating volumes that span multiple disks, a boon for those needing bigger storage solutions without the hassle of external storage systems. However, remember, converting back from dynamic to basic isn't as straightforward and usually requires data backup and disk reformatting. Handling disk properties effectively can also troubleshoot and prevent potential issues. Through disk management, one can easily change drive letters and paths, providing a quick fix for drive conflicts or software malfunctions that require specific drive letter assignments. Additionally, reactivating an offline disk often resolves issues related to disks mistakenly marked as offline, usually due to system errors or improper ejection procedures. With these tools at your disposal, maintaining your disk's health becomes a more manageable task. Now that we've covered the ins and outs of disk management, what have we learned? Disk management is an essential utility within Windows operating systems designed to help users efficiently manage their computer's disk partitions and volumes. It offers a comprehensive graphical interface for a variety of disk-related tasks, making it invaluable for both casual users and IT professionals. To access disk management, one can use the Computer Management Console or a simple keyboard shortcut. This accessibility makes it straightforward to view and manage the disk information. The utility displays a clear graphical representation of all connected disks, detailing their size, status, and file system, among other properties. Through disk management, users are empowered to create, format, resize, and delete partitions. This flexibility allows for efficient use of disk space and helps in organizing data more effectively. For instance, creating partitions can be particularly useful for separating operating system files from user data, or for dual booting multiple operating systems. Moreover, disk management supports volume management techniques such as creating simple, spanned, striped, and mirrored volumes. These features are crucial for optimizing storage solutions and enhancing data security through redundancy. The utility also includes tools for disk maintenance and troubleshooting, which are vital for ensuring the longevity and reliability of storage devices. Whether initializing new disks, converting disk types, or managing disk properties, disk management equips users with the capabilities needed to maintain and troubleshoot their systems effectively. Mastering disk management not only keeps your system organized but also enhances its overall performance and reliability.